My philosophy for teaching comes from the Irish proverb Mola Noaga agus Chukfi Siad, which means praise the youth and they will flourish. I want every single student in my class to feel supported and encouraged as they learn chemistry and also learn to love it. My favourite thing about being a teacher is helping boost students' confidence and helping them achieve things they never believed they could have achieved. The part of chemistry that a lot of students tend to find difficult is the fact that the subject is really abstract. So we can't see these atoms and molecules and all these reactions happening at the molecular level. So what I like to do with chemistry is I like to use a lot of everyday comparisons and useful analogies, like the way reactions are like recipes, or like the way we fill the seats on a bus like we do electrons and orbitals. I like to use these things to make students see how fascinating and relatable chemistry really is. My favourite thing about working in the Dublin Academy is the incredible team I get to work with. I'm surrounded by teachers who are just as passionate about their subjects as I am and have the same desire to support every single student that comes here. The most rewarding part about teaching is seeing students realise that they can do it. Witnessing that moment when they go from struggling to succeeding just makes the job all worthwhile. My name's Caoimhe and I'm a chemistry teacher here at the Dublin Academy of Education.